Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make the graphs, the chart in Microsoft Excel. So you are watching this one is the bar chart and this one is the pie chart. Now I am deleting this one. After selecting this one and delete from the keyboard. Sorry again, delete from the keyboard. And selecting also this one and delete from the keyboard. Here we are watching the members name. Here the 6 members and members name is given, and this one is their paid amount. So I'm selecting this one, then I'm going to the insert. Here you are watching different types of chart, but maximum time bar chart and pie chart are used. So today I'll show into this chart of this video. So at first I am taking the bar chart. Here you are watching 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, 3D bar. This one and this one are the vertical and this one is the horizontal. Now I want to take this one. When I am clicking this one, you are watching here the chart design, different types of chart given. I am taking this one. This is better. Then I am going to the home and I want to change the text. I'm taking this as the Arial. Arial is done. Then I'm taking the size of this font is 12. Okay, done. See. Then see, I'm going to the filter. When I'm going to the Arif, only Arif is show, Sarif is show, and Limon is showing, and Robi is showing, Sakib showing, and Simon showing. I don't apply it, so go in here and click here. And another thing, style. Already it was given there. The chart designs we have shown. So now I'm double click here, then see the fill and the border. Now I want to change the border, taking the solid, and here you are watching, take this one, or I can increase it from here, and gradient. Okay, I'm going to the downwards and taking this one is this color. See, this one is changing. I'm going here. Okay, I want to change the solid, then taking the color red and transparency is increased and this was also increased. Now see. Okay, this one is the border and fill color. If I want to solid, now see, I can change the color, then take it, or no fill, then see, then solid fill, see, and I can also change this color, or I can change this one. Okay, this one is looking nice. And another things, I want to change the bar color, so going to the fill, I'm taking this one is the gradient fill, and I am going here, taking this one this way, or I can change this one by this color. Okay, I'm going to the downwards, going here, going here, and it was linear, but I want to take is the radial. Now see. Okay, I'm cross it. Then I want to show another chart which is pie chart. Going to the insert and taking this pie chart. So that's why I have to click first here. Then I am selecting this one. Then going to the pie chart and selecting this pie. 3D pie is taken. Drag it and I'm selecting this one. This one is better. So, or this one. See, in similar way, I can change the uh, font. I'm taking this one is the Arial, to enter, and I am taking this font size 12. Now see, double click here. Then I can change this one, and in similar way, if I want to change this color also, double click here. Now see, going to the field, and I want to take only this color. If I want to change the gradient, then I'm going here, see this one, and taking this one is the linear. Now see, this one is changing, or I can take this one is solid color, and I want to change the color is taking this one. Okay, see, and I want to show this one is separately. When I drag it, then see. Separately you can if you want to show, then I want to join together and drag an inside. Okay, okay, see, so I want to change this color, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now you are watching this percentage also. The he is the percentage 13%, 15%, 18%, and this one is the 23%. Is the highest Robi. And another thing, I want to show the double click here and no fill. Then see, sorry, here see was selecting here. Then no fill again, and Control Z for the previous one. Control Z. Okay, done. So thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineer is always with you.